Vegeta, what does the scouter say about
the price of the JR Pass? It's under 200!
what?
200?
There's no way that can be right. Cut it!
What's good, y'all? It's your boy F Twilight. So today, I'm here to talk to y'all about the JR Rail Pass special that's going on in Japan right now. So, let's get into that. So right now, you might be asking yourself, what's a Rail Pass?
That's a Rail Pass.
What does it do? Like, how do I get one? Why do I even want one? Well, I'm gonna give you a little summary of the Rail Pass, but if you want a more detailed explanation about it, I can make a whole separate video going into detail about the Rail Pass and telling you everything you need to know. But for this video, it's just like a little summary, just so you get an idea of what's happening. So let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see. But basically, the Rail Pass is a pass that can only be used by foreigners visiting Japan. Visiting Japan. Visiting Japan. So you have to buy this pass before coming to Japan. And if you live in Japan, you can't take a trip out of Japan and then buy the pass from overseas and then come back. As long as you're a resident, as long as you live in Japan, you cannot take advantage of this deal. And after you get here, this pass allows you to travel all over Japan by train for free. For free. And this includes the Shinkansen, or bullet train, if you will. And the bullet train, on average, usually starts around Niman-en or Sanman-en, which is about 200 or 300 US. And then the prices just go higher. So for the same price, or around that same price, maybe this pass will run you maybe Sanman-en or Yonman-en, but you get unlimited train rides for the duration of the pass, which is usually about 7 days or 14 days or 21 days. Take a look at the website and you can see which package best fits you. And if you want more details about that, I can go into a separate video going into in-depth explanation about the Rail Pass. So that brings me to my next point. Why did I make this video, right? Like, what's this special pass I'm talking about? Well, for the first time ever, Japan is offering the Rail Pass to residents in Japan. Yes, residents. So if you live in Japan right now and you want to travel, now is the perfect time. So there are some stipulations though. First, this pass is only valid for 3 days. So you have to pick your 3 days in advance, and they have to be consecutive days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It has to be consecutive days. So if you go to like Aomori and you stay there for 2 days, you better come back because it's gonna expire. You can't space the days out. So number 2 is this pass is only valid for the Tohoku region. So it's not extended to the other lines on the JR line as of right now, as the making of this video, but you can definitely go see the Tohoku region at least. Number 3 is only the buyer of this pass can use this pass. So you can't be, for example, a couple, a husband and wife, and the husband buys the ticket and then you just bring your wife with you on this one pass. Nope. Everyone has to have their own pass. You can't bring your children or your brother or sister. So everyone has to have their own pass. You can't have someone go with your pass using their name. And you can't go with someone else's pass and use your name. So remember that. Don't try to be slick. Be careful. So you can get a refund as long as the days that you chose didn't pop up. So if you need to cancel for whatever reason before your 3 days come, then you can do that. This pass becomes available from October 16th until February 26th. So you have about 4 months or so to take advantage of this.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? Vegeta, what does the scouter say about
the price of the JR Pass? It's under 200!
What?
200?
There's no way that can be right. Cut it!
Is only 120 US. That's only Ichiman Nisen-en. Yes, that cheap. You heard me right. Ichiman Nisen-en. Ichiman Nisen-en? Ichiman Nisen-en. Yes, 120 US. That's it. So the things you'll need is just your passport, of course, your payment method, of course, and you need to pick your 3 days, your 3 consecutive days ahead of time. And you fill these requirements and boom, you're on your way. So the Tohoku region has these areas to take a look at. So guys, let me know in the comments, where do you want to go? What area do you think would be the most fun or the most interesting to use this pass for? And if the JR line opens up to another line, which line would you like to see open up to take advantage of this pass for? So yeah, let me know. Like, follow, subscribe if you got any value out of this video, and let me know where you want to go. And guys, if you want to talk about Japan or anime, manga, or gaming things, I stream on Twitch as well. So I stream at twitch.tv/ftwilight. So if that's something you're interested in doing, like having a conversation, talking about Japan, request things you want to see for videos and whatnot, then take a look at my Twitch channel and join the community over there. So if you're in Japan and you want to travel, safe travels to you and happy travels. And make sure you wear your mask. We're still in uncertain times here. So travel safe, guys. Peace.